Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rounded edge mask on CapCut PC. So select your video or photo, simply go to mask and select the rectangle one. You're just going to adjust it however you like, and to round out the corners you're either going to select this bit right here and pull it out, or you are going to select the round corner sliders here to create this kind of rounded shape. You can also feather that out as well if you'd like to create that like kind of cool retro TV, I guess, sort of shape on CapCut PC. And that is basically it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!